Hi everyone, Amanda here from I Can Make Shoes. I just wanted to tell you all a little bit about a really exciting project that we've got going on. We are doing our first ever I Can Make Shoes, How to Make Shoes book. I'm so excited about this. We've been working on this particular book since November last year, but honestly the book idea has been in the works for the last 10 years. So this is really huge for me and the whole team here at I Can Make Shoes. It's really specifically made for beginners and for people who are interested in trying shoemaking for the first time from home. So as a lot of you probably already know, we don't use any heavy machinery in our workshops, and this book really is the closest thing to actually being in one of our workshops with us. So we have stripped the shoemaking process right back and made it as simple to follow as possible. And we really hope you enjoy it as much as we do. We actually have got a really limited run of books coming, and we put up a pre-order the day before yesterday and are just totally blown away by how many of you have already ordered the book and how much support we've gotten about it. So we really appreciate all of your well wishes. We just thought for those of you who follow us on YouTube, we would say thank you for all your support. And also we've got a link in the comments below, which is to the book if you wanted to order a copy for yourself.